Students, you are watching the channel EduCore. Students, we are here going to start a series of lectures based on the teaching and learning of English language and grammar, in which we intend to study the grammar in detail and in depth with its usage, application, and understanding of different rules and principles. And also, we are going to study and understand, and also to uh, get the training and the skill or ability to apply those skills of the language regarding listening, speaking, reading, and writing, so that we make the learners or the students able to have a sound grip or command on the English language. So, our title for this series of lectures is Basics of English Grammar and Language. Language and overview. First of all, we are going to understand language as far as its practicality is concerned. So we call the language as a tool. First, it needs to be explained that what is a tool. Tool is anything, technique, or procedure or method uh, which can be used to do a certain task to get a particular to get a particular result or achieve something or perform a certain task with the help of which is called tool. So we termed when we term language as a tool, what is its mean? uh, Either language is a tool in the real sense of the word or meaning. Yes, in in order to explain the functions or tasks that are performed by the use of language, then it is truly a tool, or it is true to say that language is also a tool because language performs certain tasks or the functions. For example, exchange of information. We want to convey or exchange or deliver some kind of information. We want to establish or create dialogue, uh, the act of communication. We want to deal or engage with other persons, people, or communities. We want to express our emotions, feelings, and similarly, the process of teaching and learning and the acquisition of the knowledge, all these tasks or all these actions need language as a tool to be used or language as a medium to be used to achieve these. So, all these tasks can be achieved by acquiring various language and linguistic skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing, and to the level of near native. In this point, the term near natives and the command or grip or competency of the language skills to the level of near natives. It means that like natives using their own language or employing and using the language skills, if we train and understand and get this basic skills to use that language near that level is called the near native level of the language. And it how is it possible that if any language is for the speakers or the learners acts as the second or the foreign language, can it be like the level of natives language? Yes, it can be, but it needs to learn some basic skills and also to adopt the manner or procedure in which natives uh, learn their own languages. For example, first of all, if we uh, observe or try to understand how babies learn their language and get a command without going any institutions, taking classes or lessons, they first of all listen the words and the language and the expressions from the people all around them, and then gradually they start speaking. And when they come up to the age of school going age, they start reading different materials, and after that they try to write and get the command of communicating their ideas and information through written language also. So we can also get the near natives level of language and linguistic skills if we also adopt this sequence or approach. To have success in academic and professional life, this course and series of lectures will focus, teach, train, and help practice the learners for basic English grammar and language skills. So, in order to be successful in your academic or student life, and after completion of your education, if you want to or intends to sit in the competitive exam, or want to be successful in your professional or practical field or area, this series of lectures will definitely be helpful for all the students. Keep following these series of lectures, and also uh, subscribe the